There is nothing cooler than to get a PC that you've built for a customer, come back to get a maintenance, a cleaning, a checkup, and that's what we have here. And this is one of my favorite builds. The customer has been ecstatic about the use of this PC. This was for a small business and they thought it was too much PC for them since it kind of looked like a gaming computer, but it ended up serving them so well that they're just in love with it. They've brought it to me for a PM, or preventive maintenance, and I am so happy I chose this LianLi case. It has these screens here that you can pop right off like that, and I love that I can just run these underwater because nothing cleans better than water, and that pretty much leaves the case very clean. A little bit of air while I hold the fans in place so that they don't overspin. Let's get to work. So here we go. We got the water going on, and now I can just run this underneath the water. And then what you want to do is run both sides really well. And again, you're not going to put this on the PC. You're not going to run it with the PC until it is 150% dry. I mean, you need to make sure it's super dry. So wait about 48 hours if you want to be super safe. I actually put them in a room with a dehumidifier that I have other things drying in there, and that'll make it dry a lot faster. This is the screen that was in the front here, and that right there is the front cover, and this screen was disgusting. Let me show you a picture of it really quick. But the screen did its job. The fans are somewhat clean. Everything else is pretty decently clean. I've already sprayed it once with a little bit of air. That's got most of it. As you can see, the case has got some dust on it. Now right here, we've got the water pump and the radiator, and that looks like it's pretty dirty. So we're going to have to get to cleaning of that. But I know many of you who work on PCs really appreciate it when your customers understand that they should bring them to you every so often for some really good maintenance. I'm considering replacing the thermal paste there, but I have to look up the age of when exactly I built it and what my time frame is to do that. This customer owns a shop where they repair semi-trucks and has now a need for a webcam, a microphone, and some speakers so that they could have conference calls over the internet like Zoom and other things of that nature. I'm going to go with the Logitech Z313 speakers at 50 watt. They don't need any high powerful or high fidelity speakers for it. It's a dirty, yucky shop. These speakers are going to get beat up. This is a perfect investment, especially used. I got these for about, I would say about 40 bucks, 45 bucks. Now, the Blue Yeti Nano is unsurpassed for its high quality, and I happen to have a used one, which I'm going to sell them for a reduced price. There's the box. I take very good care of my stuff, so they're getting a perfectly working used microphone. We're going to go with the Elgato new webcam. Now this is going to give them clear 1080p HD picture. This is probably a lot more than what they're asking for, but with the used items, I came way under their budget. So with my labor and everything done, they're going to be extremely happy. For those of you out there that are trying to do side gigs and make side cash, I truly encourage you to find ways to bring extra streams of income to your household. Zed the Old Tech Guy telling you I love you, and I'm signing off.